Welcome to our channel. In the series of LeetCode programming, I already said first we will complete all the easiest problem and the next level move to medium level and then move to difficulty. So once we complete all these problems, it covers all these companies' practice questions. Okay. Now the next problem in the series is palindrome number. Generally, you know what is a palindrome? Reverse of a number is equal to original number, that is called palindrome. Read the question. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Suppose see number 121. The reverse of 121 is also 121. So the output is true. Next, minus 121. Here this is the important. Suppose minus 121. System, how the reverse operation? 1 to 1 minus. So the reverse is not equal to the original number. So the negative number is not a palindrome. Not a palindrome. These are the two examples. And one more thing. X is equal to 10. What is the reverse of 10? 0, 1. The number changed. That is false. According to these examples, we will check whether a number is a palindrome or not. So many number of procedures are there. So what is the blind procedure? Take the number n. Normal procedure. For example, you will write down one loop while the number is greater than 0. For example, number is equal to, assume some 123. So step by step, I am taking the reminder. R is equal to n mod 10. Initially, I am storing one variable which is used to store the result. And n is equal to n by 10. This is the general logic we are following. Here observe. 123 greater than 0, R is equal to 123 mod 10. What is the reminder? R is equal to 3 and reverse is equal to initially 0, 0 into 10, 0 plus R 3. Now n is equal to 120 by 3. Quotient. What is the quotient? 12. Next iteration. 12 greater than 0. R is equal to 12 mod 10. R is equal to 2. Reverse is equal to, what is the updated reverse? 3. 3 into 10, 30 plus 2, 32. Now you got it? So each and every time multiply with 10. Y moves from unit position to tens, tens position to hundreds and so on. N is equal to 12 by 10, 1. In the next iteration, 1 greater than 0. R is equal to 1. Reverse is equal to 32 into 10, 320 plus 1, 321. And n is equal to 0. So 0 greater than 0, condition false. We are coming out of the loop. Now my answer is stored in this one. Suppose if this one is equal to the original number, that is a palindrome. This is the general approach. But Python have one advantage. So no need to follow all these procedure. Again, in this, what is the problem if it is a negative number? Again, you need to convert the negative into positive and then do the reverse operation. Lot of procedure is there. But what is the advantage of Python? Suppose n is equal to some number. This is an integer. What is str of n? What is str of n? String. That is, integer is converted into a string. Integer is converted into a string. Now, for example, s is a string. S of colon minus 1. I think you know this one. What is this one? This is used for reversing. For example, see, s is equal to good. S is equal to good. Now, S of colon minus 1 means default, there is no starting, there is no ending, step count is minus 1. It returns D O O G, reverse. This is used for reverse. Now reverse operation is completed. Now n is equal to 121. What is str of n? 121 in quotations. Now, if this reverse is equal to this original, return true. Otherwise, returns false. Now, write down the same logic, series 1. If str of n, str of n means I am converting my integer n. Actually, here not n. According to the question, they given plus. According to the question, they given plus. So, str of x, this is x is converted into a string. On that particular string, colon, colon, -1. Here what happened? Simply I am doing reverse operation. If it is equal to str of x means original. Str of x means original. Suppose if this is true, we are returning true. Else, return false. Run. Accepted. Now, so instead of writing these statements directly, you can use this one also, return. So this is not required. Now what it returns? It checks the condition. It checks the condition. If the condition is equal, automatically the output is true, return true. If the condition is false, output is false, return false. So no need to write if and else also. Directly you can write this statement. Whatever it is, whether it is a string or integer, whatever it is, I am converting to a string and then I am doing the reverse operation by using this statement. This is the very simple program.